Imagine this. You walk into a cancer hospital for the very first time as an oncology pharmacist. The corridors are quieter than you expected. The patients around you are hooked to IV lines, sitting in chemotherapy chairs, some with their families holding their hands. And somewhere in that moment, you realize your role here is not just dispensing medicines. You're a part of someone's fight for survival. So, if you are a pharmacy or PharmD student and you have ever felt curious about oncology, what a cancer looked like, what it feels like to stand there for the very first time, what you will actually do when you step into that hospital, this webinar is for you. This webinar will be delivered by Dr. Priyank Tripathi, an oncology clinical pharmacist with 13 years of hands-on experience working inside cancer hospitals and oncology wards. He has stood in those corridors, reviewed chemotherapy prescriptions, counseled cancer patients, and worked alongside oncologists and nurses as a part of clinical team. Over the years, he has also trained and mentored numerous PharmD students during their internships and research projects, helping them take their very first confident steps into the world of oncology pharmacy. He has lived it all, and in this webinar, he is going to share all of that with you, honestly and from the inside. The webinar is called Your First Day in Oncology as a Clinical Pharmacist, a 90-minute live session on Google Meet, not theory, not just live, a real walkthrough of what it actually looks and feels like to work inside a cancer hospital as a clinical pharmacist. In 90 minutes, you will learn what a cancer ward and oncology unit really looks and feels like from the inside. The multidisciplinary oncology team, the oncologist, the nurse, the pharmacist, and exactly where you fit in. What an oncology pharmacist does every single day inside a cancer hospital. A real patient case walkthrough from the chemotherapy prescription to the pharmacist's clinical diseases. And a live question answer with Dr. Priyank directly. So the registration link is in the description below. Fill the form. It takes less than a minute. Seats are limited, so do not wait. Every great oncology pharmacist had a first day. A day they walked into a cancer hospital, not knowing what to expect, and walked out knowing exactly why they chose this path. And this webinar is your preparation for that day. We'll see you on 13 June. Thank you.